Namaste, Sasrikal, and welcome to my channel. I'm Abraham, your host, and I hope you all are keeping well. In this video session, we will learn how to handle multiple playlists. Okay, say for example, here right now we have only two playlists. Okay, that is worship song and the YouTube music. So I'm going to add two more for Titanic and Yeshua. Okay, that is on the right side of the Titanic image. We are going to set by default we are going to set a flag for each playlist. Okay, flag 0. So when we click, we will set the flag to 1, so that way we can handle. And then once we do that, say this will be invisible and the playlist will be visible. Okay, now from here when we go back, when we press the back button, we will set to a global previous playlist state, okay, with the flag 1 and also the playlist name. Okay, so that we are doing that, so that when we come back here and press again on the same song that we have selected, or the playlist category that we have selected, when we come back we see that particular or the specific playlist is being visible to the user. So that is the reason why we need a previous playlist with a flag. Okay, so that is how we will do. So right now when I go back to my blog, you can see here I have only two playlists, worship playlist and the YouTube playlist. So we are going to add two more here. So for that, go to your Firebase. Okay, and then uh, upload songs as per your requirements. You can give different names, but in my case I'm using Titanic, worship, and Yeshua, and then YouTube. Okay, so we are going to create a dictionary here. Okay, for that, go to a global variable. Okay, and then we'll give the first one, that is let's keep it here. Okay, we'll give worship music. Okay, and let's check for this label worship music. Let's go to design, and then let's click this label of the worship. Okay, what is the label? It's worship song. It should be exactly like this, right? It's not worship music, but it's a worship song. But in this case we are having underscore. You can see after worship there is an underscore. Okay, then there is a song. So we will handle that later on. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create a dictionary here. Okay, this is the one, make dictionary, and the first one will be flag. Of course, we'll set it to flag and then set it to 0. By default it should be 0. Okay, and then this value, the key next, this we will set to playlist, right? Playlist. Okay, and then we have this worship playlist, right? This. Okay, we will duplicate this and then set it to here, right? And then we need another key pair. Okay, I'll just set it to key pair here, one more. Okay, it created for us by default, so we can delete this. Now we will set the title of the song. Play title. Okay, yeah, song title. Okay, so we will grab this one, duplicate this as well. Okay, and then set it here. Okay, I hope you can understand what I am doing and you are following me. See, by default the flag will be 0, so when we click we will set it to 1. Okay, and then we'll loop over the list to display the list to the user, and also we'll set the title. Okay, so this is how we will do the same thing for all other playlists, right? YouTube playlists, and then another two more I'll be adding, that is Yeshua and then Titanic music. Okay, so it will be the same way. Okay, the title and this label, keep in mind that this label should be same to this label. Okay, say for example here YouTube label, it's written YouTube music, so we will give YouTube music just as it is. Okay, and in case of Titanic we will give the label Titanic. Okay, the title of the dictionary will be Titanic. Okay, so the same thing we will do here, and once I'm done with other playlists I'll come back here and show you. So you can see I have created a global variable with a dictionary for each category of song. Okay, you can just see here, see it for yourself so that you can follow up. I have just duplicated and then rename and then have given different URL for each playlist. I have given different URL. Okay, and also there is a, in case of YouTube you see Crack the Case, Road Trip, Three Wise. These are the title of the song, and here there have two song. In Titanic music there is the Titanic song My Heart Will Go On, the title, and Never an Absolution, which is a music instrument. And then you can see here Yeshua. I have 5 songs with the URL, playlist is the URL, and the song title is the title. Okay, so now what we will do, so let's go to the click button. Okay, okay, this is my button. Here, see, when we click this we will set the flag to 0, right? I mean 1, sorry, when button worship clicked. So what we will do, we will dictionary get value for key. Okay, and okay, no, it should not be get value for. Okay, we will set the uh, set value for, it should be okay. It should not be get value for, but it should be set value for. Here what we will do, we'll set the value key, that is the flag, of course. Flag, and then the dictionary is, in this case it will be where is it, um worship, right? Worship song, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, one more thing. Okay, just for, okay, here my blocks, see these old blocks we will remove them, right? We don't need this anymore, we'll just delete them all. Okay, we have done. Now let's go back to our, now I'm in my button click. Okay, so we have set the flag key, we are searching for the key flag in a dictionary worship song, and then we'll set that to 1, right? So go to math and set it to 1, right? Okay, that is how we do it. So copy this, I mean duplicate this, and do the same for other as well, like this. Okay, up to this we are done. Okay, so when we click it will generate a list for us. Okay, here list generator true. Let's go and see for the list, search for the list generator. Where do we have list generator? Generate list. Okay, here. Okay, set the picture. We are setting the picture, and then here, yeah, this is the place we need to modify. Where is the dictionary? Get the value for key, right? We'll set it here. Suppose in case it is YouTube, then we will search for the playlist, right? Go to tags and then set the playlist. The key is playlist. Okay, and the dictionary will be, name of the dictionary is, that we are looking for is YouTube music, right? So that way we get the list. Okay, and then we loop over it. So the same thing will be here. You will remove this, and then we'll duplicate this, set it here. Okay, and then this time it should be worship song, right? So that is how we change it. So we'll copy this again. Okay, and then set it here. Okay, and then this time it will category equals to what is the Titanic song? Oh yeah, Titanic music. I think most probably Titanic music. Titanic music. So if that is the case, we set the Titanic music dictionary, and then okay, song category will be Titanic music, and then we'll change this picture image. So let's go to our asset, and then we'll go for the Titanic image, Titanic JPG, right? We'll set it to titanic.jpg. Okay, so in that way we are setting the image of the Titanic. This will be as it is, and the items, of course the item, and then worship song. Subtitle will be Titanic music. Okay, or you can just name it to Titanic also, no problem. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing for, duplicate this, for Yeshua as well. Let's do it here. Okay, now it's not, it's Yeshua band, sorry, band. Okay, Yeshua band, and then let's go to our asset again. Okay, where do we have the asset? Yeshua 500. Okay, Yeshua, sorry, 500 dot png. Okay, is it a png? Yeshua jpg, sorry, it should be jpg. Okay, then of course this one will be Yeshua. Just give Yeshua, that's it. And then this will not be Titanic, this will be Yeshua band, of course. And then this will be Yeshua. Okay, and then this one will be Yeshua ministry. Ministry, ministries or ministry. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay, we have done this, and we will remove this false true. Okay, this we don't need. We don't need this. Why? Because we already have a flag. We don't need. As per the flag, we will set. All right. I'll remove this as well. And then we'll remove this as well. Okay, so I'm here. I have located my playlist. This is my playlist. So when each specific playlist is being clicked, so what it happens, that is here. Okay, so now here, instead of global is yt equals true, instead of this we will check for the flag. Okay, so we'll take another condition here, which will be if condition. Okay, and put it here. So we go to dictionary, and then we get it. Okay, we will get the value and then compare it. So the value is 1, so it will be math. We'll bring this math comparison here and set it to here, right? Okay, and then now the key is flag. Yeah, what we can do, we can go to tags, and then okay, let's do one thing here. Our key is flag, right? Okay, and we are looking for a dictionary. First of all, the first dictionary that is in the list is worship. Where is it? Worship song, right? Yeah, if the flag is equals to 1 versus if it is set to 1, right? Okay, so what we do, where is our playlist? This is the one. We want to update this, not the other YouTube. Okay, we want to update this, and the list will be the title. Okay, we want to set it with the title here. Remove this here, and then we copy this, we duplicate this again. Okay, here do like this. Okay, now not flag but song title. Yeah, song title of the worship. Okay, yeah, this is the right way. Yes, I hope you understand what I am doing. So here what we are doing basically, first of all we are checking in the dictionary of the worship song. Okay, where we are checking whether the flag is 0 or 1. When this category was clicked, it was set to 1. Okay, so we are, if it is, that means it will be 1. If it is 1, then this will we will update the playlist. Okay, but if it is not equals to 1, then it will go down again. It will check, because one of the item will be 1 for sure. So that is the reason why we are using only if. Okay, if condition here. In all case we will be using if condition. So I will remove this. Okay, and then duplicate this as well, right? Put it here below, and this time after the worship in the serial we have got this YouTube music. Okay, and then we want to change. Okay, this key, this will be, there will be no space. Okay, here make a, see that there is no space, otherwise your app will not work properly. Okay, and then here this time it's YouTube music. Okay, done. And then this will be changed to subtitle. Okay, YouTube music, right? And this is also YouTube. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will duplicate this again, right? And set it here down, and this time we are looking for the flag Titanic music, right? And also we want here Titanic music, right? And here we will write Titanic music. Okay, and then we will duplicate this again for the last time, because we have got 4 categories of song as of now working. So now we will select Yeshua Band, right? And then this also will be Yeshua Band. Okay, and then this we will write Yeshua Band. Sorry, it should be in lowercase. Okay, we are done up to this. Okay, now it's saying to set the source of the music, right? We'll do one thing, remove this, right? We'll use the flag again, comparison, duplicate this, bring it here and set it here. Okay, so the first song, I mean category in the list, is worship song, and then Exoplayer's song will be worship song, right? Okay, play, select list item from playlist. Okay, okay, it is not this way, it should be something like this. Duplicate this and then set it here, remove this, right? And if the flag, not flag this time, song, okay, playlist, this time it's playlist. Okay, this time it's playlist. We get the playlist, and then what do we do? We, yeah, we get this because we need the URL right now. We'll do the same thing in all case, but before that we need to remove this else. Okay, so this one, duplicate this and set it below. Okay, and then after that we will set to YouTube music and set this also to YouTube music. Where is it? YouTube music. Okay, that is how we do. We set the source. Same thing we'll do with other as well. Set it here, and after YouTube music we have Titanic music, and also we do for the Titanic music. Okay, so we are setting the source of the song. Okay, here in all case we are setting the source of the song. and then here Yeshua ban. Okay, and then this also will be Yeshua ban. Okay, we have set for everything, for all. Okay, and now once we click, it will start playing. Okay, and then we have a timer status change, so we need to look into this also, status change. So once I figure out where is this status change, I'll come back to you. Okay, I got the status change, it is here. So we'll expand this. Okay, so I will take if condition here for you to understand clearly. Okay, here if comparison is math, of course, because we are going to compare the flag. Okay, if and dictionary get value for, put it here, and the value will be flag, of course. I mean the flag value, and the key will be flag. The value will be 1 if it is set to flag. Okay, and then the dictionary, the first one in the list is worship, and we have done this several times. Okay, and then I will compare with the 1 if it is 1, right? 1. Okay, so what we do, we'll update this one, it should be this one. Okay, and here worship, the title, we need the title right here, so we'll don't need this, duplicate this. Okay, and we'll search for the key song title. Okay, we'll search for the key song title, there should not be space. By default it creates space, but keep in mind that it is not space. So now we can remove this, no problem. And then this one, it should be here like this. Okay, then we don't need more this true and false anymore, right? So we are done with this. So we will do the same thing for other 3 more list item as well, and once I'm done I will come back and show you. I finish. Okay, here you can see if it is loading, we want to show the loader. So in all cases we check for the flag, in worship case, in YouTube case, in the case of Titanic music, and in the case of uh, Yeshua band. And of course this one I need to change. I'll just write it Yeshua. Okay, and now if it is playing, then we want to show the equalizer. Okay, so we will do the same thing for this also, that is in the else. Okay, but we will use this same. So I'll just show you one among this, and let's take this, duplicate this, right, and put it under else. Okay, but we want to show this equalizer. Okay, equalizer. So what we do, we'll only change this equalizer, other things remains the same, only the image will be changed, right? So you can see it's all the same, only the thing is that this equalizer is changed or updated. Okay, so I'll be removing other thing. Oh my god, I almost delete everything. Okay, so skip it here for now. And okay, one more thing, we also need to set the label. Yeah, after updating we need to set this label as well. Okay, so this will be here. Okay, and then this one we will remove it. We don't need anymore. And of course this will be just like this one, duplicate it and paste it here. Okay, and this is how it should be. And now after that we'll add here this item. Okay, so now we will do the same thing for other three more items. Okay, this one, and once I'm done I'll come back and show. So you can see now I finished. If the music is playing, okay, in case it is a worship song, then it will set the equalizer. Okay, and also the label will be updated with the title of the song. And in case the song is being played, in case we check with the flag again for YouTube music, and we equalizer is being displayed and the title also will be updated. So here also Titanic music, we check for the flag, and then we check for the title song. Okay, and then we equalizer is updated image and then title also. And in case of Yeshua, okay, then now here call update item, okay, too, that is different thing. Okay, now we have done this, and then it plays. Okay, and then we set the timer to false. Okay, it starts play. So now after that, when we go back to the main page again, so when we click the back button, we will work on that also. So let me locate it, and once I locate it, I'll come back to you here in this video again. See, I have located the back press button. You see, this is not if the one, that is the else one. Come to this else, see else. Okay, what happens here, the list layout is being set visibility to false, which means it's no more visible, and the category layout is visible, which is set to true. So here we will set the flag to its default, okay, to 0. So what we will do is that we'll take if condition again. It's almost similar like the earlier that we have done where we check the flag. Okay, so we are going to do almost same like that, only similar. So drag here, and then we check for the go to dictionary, and then here say here get key, value key, and then we'll set the, we'll search for the flag. Okay, flag, and then set the dictionary, but there will be slight change here. I mean, it will be different a bit from the earlier one, worship song. Okay, and then drag this here. Okay, so if it is 1, okay, if the flag is 1, then this time we will set it to 0. This is get value. Now we will set value. Remember, it should be set value. Okay, set value, and then of course we need the key, which is the flag. Okay, we'll set the flag to 0. Sorry, this should be math. Okay, key and the value is 0. Okay, and the dictionary is this worship song. Duplicate this and set it here. Okay, okay, and then also we want to set the previous song list, right? Do we need to do that? Okay, as of now we will not do, we'll set it to 0. Okay, so now we set it to 0, and then we'll do the same thing for other items as well, I mean other categories. Okay, once I'm done I'll come back here. So you can see here I finish. It's the same thing, I duplicate it and then I change the name, okay, as per the category. So now we will collapse this, collapse the block, and then we'll do one thing before we'll proceed. We want to check again this generator. Fine, I think we can proceed now. Let's generate the code, okay, so that we can download and see if it is working or not. Okay, we'll scan the code so that we can, with our companion, that is Codular companion. You can see I have downloaded the app and then install in my handset. Okay, so now I'm going to play this and then show you how it looks and how it works. But where is my app? Okay, this is the one. So we need to log in. First of all, log in with your email ID, and then once you're logged in, it will come here. So let's play one of the song. Okay, let's play the Titanic. Click on it. Okay, we will fix this. Right now it is showing the link or the URL of the song. Okay, so actually we made mistake here. We should not show the URL, but instead we should show the title of the song, but we are doing that mistakenly, so we will fix that. So let's tap on the first song and see if it is singing. It's loading. Now it is updated, and then you can see the song is singing. Okay, so now let's go back and select the different song. Okay, let's start this song. This is from the Yeshua band, and then it should start singing in a moment. Okay, maybe we can click the other song, and you can see the title of the song also being displayed just below the control. You can see the. Okay, let's now check for worship song. See, it's singing different song. So in spite of having many categories of song, now it is managing. There is no problem. It is managing different songs, right? You can see it is also singing. It doesn't play the same song, but for different category, different song. So this is how. So guys, this is how we can manage it. Okay. So we'll fix this also in the next video tutorial, but as of today we will stop here, and then we will continue in the next video tutorials. Till then, stay tuned. Okay, bye.